Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products, and in today's video I'm going to test a new concealer, and I have this new Laura Mercier concealer, this Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer. I'm going to use this new concealer with this foundation, this Laura Mercier foundation that is viral everywhere right now, and I'm going to create this Valentine's Day makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I already have my eyebrows on, and I've used this too, this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Fresh Gel with this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I like to apply this brow gel first, and then I fill in any gaps with this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. The tip of this brow pencil is very fine, so I can create the hair-like strokes very easily. So this is what I've been using lately on my brows. And next I'm going to apply my face primer. My skin is a little bit dry right now, so I'm going to use again this new face primer from Chanel. This is the Healthy Winter Glow Primer, moisturizing and protective. I have a first impression video and a wear test for this face primer, so if you wanna see that video, I'll link it down below. For today's video, I have just a new concealer to test, and for all of the other makeup products that I'm going to use, I have a first impression video here on my channel. I'm just going to give you some updates, if I have any, and my plan is to do a Valentine's Day makeup look. I want to show you my version of a Valentine's Day makeup look on my oily skin. I'm not a makeup artist, but I test a lot of makeup products. This is what I like to do. So I need my makeup to look good on my oily skin and to last. So in today's video, I'm going to test this new Laura Mercier concealer. This is the new Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer. I already have the Real Flawless foundation. I reviewed this foundation like 6 months ago, and I did a wear test on my acne oily skin. So I'm going to use the foundation in today's video and also the new concealer. So this new Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer has buildable coverage, natural finish, and long-lasting waterproof and crease-proof wear. It has a serum-infused formula, so skin-like in finish and seamless in buildable coverage. It's undetectable. With long-lasting waterproof and crease-proof wear, it precisely covers imperfections and brightens skin tone, while delivering smoothing hydration and reducing fine lines, improving the look of bare skin in 2 weeks, and has 12 months shelf life. So this is how the box looks like. And this is how the packaging looks like. So this is the packaging for the concealer, and this is the packaging for the foundation. So I have these two in the same shade, in 0 and 1. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand to see how is the color and how is the texture. So here is the concealer and here is the foundation in the same shade, 0 and 1. This looks more dark than the foundation, so I'm very curious to see how the concealer and the foundation will look together on my skin. I also want to mention that the foundation is not scented, but the concealer is. I don't know what's in this, but I smell something. So next I'm going to apply this concealer. I'm going to apply it first on this side. I also use it on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base. I like to let my concealer sit on my under eyes for a few seconds, and if I have time for 1 minute, because I feel like I get more coverage. So I'll blend it first from here. Now let's blend it from the under eyes. So this is with and without this concealer on. Now let's apply it on this side too. I want to see how is the finish if I blend it with my fingers, so I'm going to use my fingers on this side. Okay, it's also easy to blend it with the fingers, so for now I'm very impressed about this concealer. I like the formula, has a really nice thin formula, feels very hydrating, is very brightening, easy to blend. Next I'm going to apply this foundation, this Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. And I'm going to set everything in place with powder after I apply the foundation. So this is how the foundation and the concealer look together. I think the shade is a very good match, so these two go very well together. As I mentioned earlier, I reviewed this foundation 6 months ago, and I did a wear test on my oily skin. As a little update for this foundation, I have to say that this is one of my favorites. I like the formula of this foundation, has a really nice natural finish, is long lasting. It's also good for oily skin, and this doesn't break me out, and is definitely something I will repurchase. Now let's see how the concealer looks without the setting powder on, because next I'm going to set everything in place with my powder. Okay, the concealer creased on my eyelids, but it's something normal. I need to use my powder on my eyelids because I have oily eyelids, but I've had worse with other concealers, so it's not looking bad. And on my under eyes, looks amazing, fresh. I don't see any creasing happening. So for now I'm very impressed about this concealer, but I'll give you my final impressions at the end of the video after I finish with my makeup, because I want to see how my under eyes will look at the end of the video. And next I'm going to set everything in place with this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. First I'm going to get rid of the creases. And I'm going to use my powder puff to apply the powder on my under eyes, and I'll use a brush to apply the powder all over the skin. With and without the setting powder on. If you have oily skin, I recommend you this setting powder because keeps the skin looking matte all day, and your makeup will last longer with this setting powder on. And next I'm going to use this Florasis palette. I have a first impression video for this palette, so I'm not going to tell you much. I just want to say that I love this palette. I take this with me everywhere. Everything is very good quality, long lasting, and I have everything I need in here to create something on the skin and also on the eyes. I'm going to start with this bronzer. Next I'm going to mix these two colors from here. I love to use these two as blushes. I use my powder puff with whatever is left from my setting powder to blend out the edges. And I'm going to apply this highlighter. This highlighter is gorgeous. Has that wet skin type of finish and doesn't emphasize the pores and the texture. Next I'm going to use this color from here on my eyes. I'll pitch the brush and I'll use some on my under eyes. Next I'm going to apply this shimmer shade all over my eyelids. Like, look at how gorgeous is this. Next I'm going to use a little bit of this gold shimmer shade. And I'll finish with this highlighter on my inner corners. Next I'm going to apply my mascara and I'll quickly do this off camera and I'll be right back. Mascara is on and for my mascara I've used this YSL Lash Clash mascara. My lashes look the same all day with this mascara on. This curls the lashes, gives volume, and doesn't transfer on the under eyes throughout the day. So this is one of my favorite mascaras right now. And I like to apply my mascara before my eyeliner because I feel like in this way I see better where I want to apply the eyeliner. I feel like this is the easiest way to apply eyeliner for when you are in a hurry. To apply the mascara first and then to use a flat angled brush like this one with a gel eyeliner. And I've been loving to use the gel liner from this palette, from the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge Eyeshadow palette. I believe this is created to be used as an eyeshadow base, but I like to use this as eyeliner. To do something like this. Very easy, you don't need so much time. And the hard part is to match the other side. It's always a little bit hard to match the other side with this side, but I'll try to do my best. So this is the finished eye makeup look, and on my lips I'm going to use this lip liner from Estee Lauder. This is the 24-hour stay in place lip liner in the shade Spice. I've been loving to apply just a lip liner on my lips lately and to smudge it with my fingers. And I like to use something more long lasting so I don't have to worry about it throughout the day. So this is the finished makeup look. So this is my version of a Valentine's Day makeup look, but I would love to know your opinion in the comments down below. Let me know if you like the finished makeup result. Now, final impressions for this concealer. Let me show you how my skin looks up close. My under eyes look very nice. I have enough coverage. My skin feels comfortable. My fine lines and my dry spots are not emphasized. I'll have to see how long lasting is this concealer, but for now I like the formula, the finish was very easy to blend. So I'll test this more and I'll update you about everything in my next video. I would love to know from you guys if you have this concealer and if you like it. And please let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!